Welcome to our review of the Turtle Wax Leather Cleaner and Conditioner. If you're looking for a way to keep your leather upholstery looking clean, supple, and protected, you might be interested in this product. Turtle Wax has been a trusted name in car care for decades, and their leather cleaner and conditioner is no exception. In this review, we'll take a closer look at the product, its features, and its effectiveness. So grab a seat and let's dive in. Packaging and presentation. The first thing you'll notice about the cleaner and conditioner is the packaging. Black spray bottle. The design is simple but elegant and looks great on any shelf or in any garage. The bottle contains 16 fluid ounces of product, which is a good amount for a leather cleaner and conditioner. The spray nozzle is easy to use, and the product comes out in a fine mist that covers a large area. Features and benefits. It is designed to clean and condition all types of leather, including car upholstery, furniture, and accessories. Here are some of the key features and benefits of the product. Cleans and conditions leather in one step. This product is designed to clean dirt and grime from leather while conditioning it at the same time. It's a two-in-one product that saves you time and effort. Protects against UV rays. The leather cleaner and conditioner contains UV blockers that help protect your leather from fading and cracking caused by sun damage. Restores suppleness. The product contains natural oils that help restore the suppleness of leather. This makes it easier to maintain and prevents cracking and dryness. Non-greasy formula. The formula is non-greasy, so it won't leave any residue on your leather. It's also quick drying, so you can use it and go without waiting around for it to dry. Application and results. Using the Turtle Wax Leather Cleaner and Conditioner is easy. Simply spray the product onto the leather surface and wipe it clean with a soft cloth. The product is safe for all types of leather and won't damage or discolor it. After using the product, we noticed that our leather looked and felt much softer and more supple. The product had also removed a few small stains and marks that we hadn't been able to remove with other cleaners. The UV protection is also a nice feature. We've had leather seats in our car fade and crack over time, and we're hopeful that this product will help prevent that from happening again. Overall, we're impressed with this product. It's a well-designed product that does exactly what it's supposed to do. If you're looking for a quality leather cleaner and conditioner, we would definitely recommend giving the Turtle Wax Leather Cleaner and Condition. We hope you found our in-depth review helpful and informative. Comment below if you have any questions about this review or explanation. Thanks for watching.